Hey, Pookie. Let me see. Hey, Shanka boy. Hey. Hey, Shanka. It's really not working now. Oh wait, is the key? Yeah, the key is in here. Y'all, what do I do? Are you serious? Judah gonna miss his fall festival? Y'all. Are you serious? Yeah. No! I have to get Judah to daycare like now. Wait, let me try this. Did you hold your pumpkin? Hold your pumpkin. Judah, you're gonna miss your... Y'all, it is really not working now. YouTube. I gotta go to YouTube for this one. Because how do you crank a car without the... Let me see. Okay, so it says the key is in the car, but... Y'all, I honestly do not know like what happened, but as I was like watching a YouTube video and I clicked this button, it started... Y'all, this has to get fixed like now, because if it doesn't, and like I told y'all, if something like this happens and I'm like far off somewhere, I don't know anybody, I will be stranded and me and Judah just be looking sad, or just me, and I wouldn't have anybody to call. Like, what the heck? I need to get a battery ASAP for real. And y'all, I have to get Judah to daycare like now because he's late, you know. And I kind of woke him up late on purpose because I wanted to get some good pictures. And if I would have woke him up like extra early in the morning, then he would have still been sleeping. He wouldn't have wanted to take pictures. Plus, it would have been dark. So I got a few pictures. I'm gonna put them here. I'm gonna insert a few like right up in this area somewhere so you guys can see the handsome Judah in his little skeleton costume. So they call him Mr. Oh, sorry. They call him Mr. Put It On. But yeah, we are headed to the daycare right now, guys. I honestly do not know what to talk about. Like, I'm just happy that Judah gets to experience this fall festival thing. I think if we make it to his daycare on time, he'll get to experience it. And he's going to have the time of his life. And, guys, and we came up with something. I actually decided which costume that he was going to wear. You guys chose for him. He's going to wear this one. The Marvel costume. It's gonna be so cute on him. And y'all, this costume, it was not $15. It was cheaper, like, because I got it at the end of the Halloween season last year. And it's gonna be so freaking cute on him. The skeleton costume that he has on him now, it's a little bit like, Judah is kind of, he's a little tall, so the only part that's like kind of small for him is like the leg part. Like, it's like he kind of is wearing high waters, but I put some socks on, some long socks, so it wouldn't be noticeable. Like, when he stands up straight, it's not like high water, but whenever he sit down whenever he sit down, it's hot water. I remember those days when I was a kid and I used to go to school, and some of my jeans, well, at least one pair at least, but one of them would be hot water, and then I would sit down and I would have to adjust my pants in the seat or whatever. I used to be like, Judah don't know anything about that, so when he sit down, his pants just gonna rise. I think I'm gonna stop by Taco Bell this morning to get me like a burrito breakfast bean thingy with eggs because I don't feel like cooking, and it's Friday. So there you have it. Yo, when I tell you guys, Judah looks. Oh shoot.
Back in my mind. So I'll be on the road for the next few weeks. I'll be doing some movie stuff, but I'm working on a reggae project. I'm working on all kinds of stuff. So yeah, the music going. Okay, I wasn't even gonna go here, but you brought up reggae. Reggae artist is
Y'all, bro, but like I was saying, Judah looks so freaking cute. Judah is the cutest ever. Oh shoot. But she called me to see if she could get my number because they're gonna send pictures to the parents. Maybe because I asked, but I don't know. But I'm so excited. I'm so excited for Judah. But guys, it is Friday. I hope you guys have a great Friday. Like we say every morning, positive thoughts only. We got this. We only have a few more hours, then we're gonna be off of work. Even if you have to work the late shift or something, it's gonna go by really quick, and then you're possibly gonna be off Saturday and Sunday. Unfortunately for me, I have to work, but I'm grateful for both my jobs. So yeah, and they're work from home, so it's work withable. And then look at the weather. Where am I gonna go? Where? But guys, I am headed to Taco Bell. I'm gonna figure something out, get something on their menu. Hopefully they're open yesterday. They weren't open yesterday, but they were supposed to be open because they open at 7 in the morning. But when I came here, there were no cars in the lot. And I went to drive-thru, nobody answered me. That means I didn't need it, so. But pescatarian, I've been doing this pescatarian thing and I'm doing pretty good, guys. Doing pretty good. I'm not craving any meat or anything. I've been working out every single day. Drinking my water. Let's see what they got on the
Please do not laugh at me. I am about to mess up this order. Oh my gosh.
Hi, how are you?
Great. Can I get for you?
Can I have the Fiesta potato breakfast burrito? Doesn't come with any meat, right? Okay, well, can I get that? And
you want sour cream on it, baby?
Yeah, I'll take everything on it.
All right, what else?
Let me see what kind of drinks. For my drink, I'll take a water.
Anything else?
That's it.
All right, pull forward for me, okay?
Thank you. Wait a minute.
Yeah.
Y'all have a breakfast crunch wrap without the without any meat in it?
I can make one without meat.
Okay, well, can I get one similar to the cheesy toasted burrito?
Huh? What are you talking about, baby?
I'm sorry, the hash brown toasted breakfast burrito.
So you want a hash brown toasted burrito with no meat?
Right.
Do you still want what I got for you? The potato cheesy toasted?
I'm sorry, I'm confused. Okay.
I'm confused. I'm trying to give you what you asked for.
Because I don't eat.
Because I already made your other burrito you asked for.
Okay, all right. So, what I want is the Fiesta potato, like the breakfast crunch wrap. Does that make sense?
Pull for it for me, ma'am.
Okay. Yo, I don't know. Like, I don't know what these people got on their menu or whatever, or how it works. I just want a big breakfast sandwich. Just give me.
What in the world are you talking about?
I don't know. Just give me what I asked for the first time.
The potato burrito?
Yes, that's it. Okay. He said, yeah, that's it. Just give me mild sauce. Okay, that's perfect. it's okay. I don't have to get water. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. All right, you have a good one too. Yo, this lady was about to go to the bathroom and fix me some water. Or in the lobby, one of those. But I don't want it. If I can't see you fixing it, I don't want it. But I got me a burrito. What kind of burrito? I think it's a Fiesta potato burrito with no meat on it, guys. No meat. So this is what I'm gonna eat today. I'm gonna try it. See what it tastes like. I'm sorry. Low key. I did want a soda back. Hey guys. Okay, so I am about to go pick up Judah really quickly from daycare, and I'm also about to order my food. I think I'm going to get a shrimp and a vegetable lo mein. Is that what it's called? Oh no, if I'm saying that right. Lo mein. That's what it called. Shrimp and vegetable lo mein. I'm gonna order that. I'm gonna see if they have that. It's a Japanese restaurant that I really like to eat at. Me and my brother, we ate there yesterday. I'm gonna call and see if they have that, but let me go shut the door because my brother be having his little device blasted. I don't know why. Okay. You guys, I really thought that this diet that I'm on was gonna be a little more complicated than it is, but it's not. It's just that you get hungry faster. But then I have not been really craving meat like that either. I don't know, because like I am a meat lover, so it was like, this is it's crazy. Japanese charcuterie. It's probably gonna be like $12 for the shrimp lo mein. Let's see. But guys, I clean up.
Can I get a phone number for your order?
843.
Okay, what can I get you?
Can I do 2 separate orders? For the first order, can I do the steak and shrimp bowl with extra carrots, please?
I have the plate, is that fine?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, and that one comes with all the vegetables, including the sweet carrots.
Well,
Is that fine, or?
can I get sweet carrots, like extra sweet carrots?
Yeah.
All right.
So is it fine with the zucchini, onions, broccoli, and mushrooms?
I just want the carrots.
Okay.
All right, and then
Anything else?
that's it for the first order. And for the second order, do you guys have a vegetable and shrimp lo mein?
We have a vegetable lo mein. You can do a side order of shrimp.
How much are your shrimp?
Side order of shrimp. Also comes with broccoli. It's $4.99.
Okay, well, I'll take that.
Okay, and this is all on one ticket?
Nope. I said 2 separate orders. So the first plate is on one order, and then this is on a separate order.
Okay. Would that be it?
Yes, that's it.
Okay, for the second one is the vegetable lo mein, side order of shrimp, $13.73.
Okay.
And on the first one, it's $13.74.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Okay, hopefully their noodles are good. I never tried their noodles before. But I'm about to head out soon, y'all. I clean my room. Like, everything is spotless. Before, it was not spotless because Juju was in here last night tearing the place apart. So, yeah, I'm about to go. Y'all, it feels so good outside. This makes me excited about the winter time. Like, oh my goodness. I'm so excited. But, oh gosh, here we go again. I forgot about this part. Okay, it works. It is Friday, guys. It is Friday. Can y'all believe it? Like, psych. Oh yeah, guys, the lady, she ended up sending me pictures of little Juju in his little costume. And you guys, I probably told y'all, but keep watching so y'all can see his costume. Like, you know, I want y'all to see it, so keep watching. And he was like so cute in the costume, but she said he wouldn't stay still for his pictures, so the pictures were kind of blurry and stuff. So, but I was like, yes, I definitely know what you're talking about, because this morning I tried to take pictures of Judah. I ended up posting like 2 or 3 on Instagram, but I was trying to take so many good pictures of him, and he kept moving. He kept wanting to walk and run, and I'm just like, Juba, give me one good picture, please. But guys, with this journey again, back on this little healthy journey that I'm going through, y'all need to join it with me, because it's not that bad. Like, I'm like, my stomach is not as bloated as it usually is. I feel healthier, like I have more energy. Y'all should join it with me, and I'll give you guys like little meals that I eat and stuff, and I'll work out on live every once in a while. Like I'm not gonna tell you guys when, but I'll try to work out on live whenever I can. For the first one? Where's my card? Oh, it's right here. I hate when I get places and my card is not where it's supposed to be. I'll be digging, I'll be like, alright, now it's off to get Judah. I get those goosebumps every time you get around. Okay guys, so I had to make a pit stop. I'll be right back. Y'all, I'm back. I got me some boiled peanuts for later tonight while I'm working. I deserve it. It's Friday. Come on now, y'all. Can I get an amen? Amen. Do y'all think I'm gonna be able to make this light right here? Y'all think they're gonna let me in? Oh, it's green. I might not make it. I'm about to cry for real. Like, you're not gonna let me in. This is some. Now I gotta stay at a light for like 3 minutes. I could have took that just now, cause she on her phone. She not even paying attention. Okay. Let's see. Yo, I'm sad. I'm about to have to sit at this light for like 3 minutes. Now I gotta wait patiently. Y'all, I'm cheesing so hard in here because I know Judah probably had like a great time. Y'all, they go Judah. Judah is coming.
Yeah, he got his bag. Hold on there.
Thank you.
All right.
Judah, my single booty. Hi. Were you having fun? Huh, boo-boo? You got candy. I don't know how they expect you to eat this candy because, we're not doing that. Come on, let's get you in here. Come on, sit down. I'm gonna give you a lollipop, okay? You look so cute. Give me a kiss. Look like he already had some candy in his system. Yummy. Say thank you, Mama. I'm about to tear it up. It's gonna be good, Juju. Hey, yummy. Y'all, I don't even eat Twizzlers. I'm just gonna try this because I'm just gonna try it. That's why. So guys, I guess the best part about Halloween when you have a kid is the free candy, huh? Because Judah got a lot of candy. And okay, the candy he got is not for little kids, it's for big kids. This boy got chocolate. He's not about to eat this. He's not about to eat any chocolate. He can do lollipops, but all the other stuff. Oh yeah, and he can do these. Like, I give him candy like this, but I break it up into small pieces, like little Jolly Ranchers. Yeah, just Jolly Ranchers, like hard candy, stuff like that he can eat. But when it comes to chocolate, oh no, you can't do that, boo-boo. No, no, no. Mama will eat that for you, okay? Mama's gonna eat it. Okay guys, so this is what my food looks like. It looks okay. So y'all, Judah, he making a mess. So this is what me and Judah gonna eat as of right now. Let's see if he like it. You gonna eat, boo boo? Here you go.